Is it better when doing a rehab on a fixer to go cheaper with the renovation or go a little nicer thinking that it might entice buyers to spend a little more?
Is it better to go cheaper or is it better to spend more money on a rehab? It really depends what your ultimate outcome is. If we go back to like the Burr method, where your intention is to buy this ugly house, fix it up, and rent it, well, then you don't need to do a flip quality rehab. You're really looking at a rental grade rehab. Your flooring is going to be cheaper. Your appliances will definitely be cheaper. Yet, if you have a home that you want to sell for top dollar, well, then obviously the nicer the place looks. You know, the better the quality and the more attention to details, the more money you're going to make. But that's also kind of a double-edged sword because you can spend too much. You're not designing a place to look like how you want a house to look. And a lot of people fall into that. Right. Women in particular will over-design stuff and spend too much because it's like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
I love it. That's
but
me.
You have to remember, this is a business. You have to make it beautiful, attractive, compelling for the new buyer to come in. And then things you got to watch is also price points. If you go luxury homes, I did a luxury home and I have $60,000 just in appliances. So stay out of the luxury market. If you can't pull it off the shelf at Home Depot or Lowe's, stick with that. Off the shelf Home Depot, Lowe's, you'll be fine.